Careful with that one, it's a big one. Looks good, keep them coming. We need this cart full before lunch.
Here are the papers for this load. Thanks.
Let me check these against the order. Looks good. Proceed to Bay 3.
The size consistency on line 3 is excellent today. Yes, the calibration seems perfect. The rejected count is low.
Check the pressure on the sprayers. Thanks. Looks good from here. The flow seems high on line 3. Yeah. I'll adjust the speed now. We are getting excellent separation on these seeds. Agreed. The juice stream is very clean.
Additional filtration systems remove smaller seed fragments. Precision screens vibrate continuously. The water levels are stable. Sample taken. Confirmed. Everything looks good for the batch.
Pulp diversion is optimal. We're clear for filtration on the main line. The new system is performing perfectly.
The watermelon juice passes through large filtration units. Remaining pulp particles are removed gradually.
System holding at 40 psi. Good. The clarity is excellent. Processing is uninterrupted.
Tank levels are at 90%.
Good. Prepare the blending sequence.
The bricks levels are holding steady at 12.5.
Good. The automated adjustments are working.
We're holding steady at 94.5 degrees.
Right on target. The automated controls are performing well.
Humans. The watermelon juice enters the pasteurization unit. Controlled heat eliminates harmful microorganisms.
Pressure is steady at 20 psi. The flow rate looks good.
Confirmed. We are cleared for the cooling stage. Check the temperature logs on the tablet.
Stable at 4 degrees Celsius. We are good to go.
All quantities verified for Order 72. The schedule shows a slot at 1400. Let's confirm the transport.
Set that one down right against the bulkhead for weight distribution.
Roger. Backing out now.
Can you tighten that center strap one more click? Sure thing. How's that? Perfect. We're all set.
All right, dispatch, switching to the right lane now. Should be pulling in shortly.
Keep the line moving, and we have another truck arriving.
We're clear for the next inbound shipment.
Okay, Route 7B is fully loaded. Check the manifest for the priority stops.
Got it. I'll confirm the pallet count before I head out.
This is the freshest batch we've had all week. It's selling fast.
Looks really good. I'll definitely grab a few.
The supply chain proves successful as the product enters everyday life. Freshness and quality influence choices.
The projection shows the new batch is slightly behind schedule. Adjust the parameters on the main console right away. I'll monitor the flow rate closely.
A drone camera rises above the facility. The entire processing plant becomes visible. Warehouses